You try to hold on to your dream with one hand while holding a child in the other. You try to chase growth while carrying love, responsibility, uncertainty, exhaustion. And still you try. And when it all falls apart, you blame yourself. But listen closely. You're just in a different season. I know the season because I lived in it. I sold everything, left my home, started over with my family, on the road, on faith, on a timeline of my own. Not 90 days, not 12-week sprints, 2,000 days. That's how I gave myself permission to grow slow, to heal, to rebuild, to show up for my kids and my dream without needing to pick one. Because you don't need to move fast, you need to move forward.